Chlorophyll is a naturally occurring chelate compound in which central metal is right answer magnesium. Which of the following is used in pencils? Right answer graphite. Which of the following metal forms an amalgam with other metals? Right answer mercury. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is right answer nitrogen. Washing soda is the common name for right answer sodium carbonate. Tetraethyl lead is used as right answer petrol additive. Which of the following is used as a lubricant? Right answer graphite. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is right answer helium. In which of the following activities silicon carbide is used? Right answer cutting very hard substances. The average salinity of sea water is right answer 3.5%. Galvanized iron sheets have a coating of right answer zinc. The group of metals iron, cobalt, nickel may best called as right answer transition metals. Heavy water is right answer deuterium oxide. The element common to all acids is right answer hydrogen. Non-stick cooking utensils are coated with right answer Teflon. Carbon, diamond and graphite are together called right answer allotrope. Potassium nitrate is used in right answer fertilizer. Soda water contains right answer carbonic acid. The most important ore of aluminium is right answer bauxite. Sodium metal is kept under right answer kerosene. What is laughing gas? Right answer nitrous oxide. Actinides are the elements with atomic numbers from right answer 89 to 103. The filament of an electric bulb is made of right answer tungsten. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding right answer washing soda. Mars gas is Right answer, methane. LPG consists of mainly answer, propane and butane. Bell metal is an alloy of right answer, tin and copper. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because right answer, it has a high dipole moment.